Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to speed up video in CapCut. First of all, open the CapCut application and here is our video. Open it up. Now to speed up this video, you have to select the video and you have to select the position where you want to start speeding up your video. So here is the point where I want to start speeding up my video. Just select your video and tap on this split. And now we have to come to the point where we want to end speeding up. Again, tap on this split button and after splitting this area of your video, now to speed up, select that clip and you will find this option here, speed. Just simply tap on it. Here you have to select this normal and then from this duration video, you can select the speed 2x, 5x, 10x and 100x. So I will select here something round about 2x and then simply tap on this check icon, and now if you play your video, your this part will speed up like this. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.